Hey everyone, okay, so I know what you're thinking. Who is this guy and what is he gonna sell me? First and foremost, my name is Jerremy Alexander Newsome and I've been professionally involved in the stock market for over 10 years now. And secondly, I'm not gonna sell you anything. My mission is to enrich lives, and I do that by educating and entertaining people from all over the world about what the stock market is, how it works, and how to safely and properly invest in it. I'm simply here to tell you mathematically why the stock market is not gambling. Now, I understand that you probably and likely have had at some point a relatively bad experience in the stock market. Maybe your parents did, aunts, uncles, and you feel that the stock market is rigged and there's absolutely no way to make money in the stock market. Well, first and foremost, let's just talk about how it's not gambling. I'm gonna hop over to a cruise ship with a few of my buddies playing at a casino. These are four gentlemen who have traded the markets and they understand the risk and they know exactly why the stock market is not gambling. Let's hop over there. Hey everyone from around the world, my name is Jerremy Alexander Newsome with Real Life Trading. I'm doing absolutely fantastic. This is my boy Rick, we got Steve, and this is Mike. So today we're discussing why the stock market is definitely not gambling. And it all comes down to one very simple, very easy word: risk. So here at the blackjack table, if you were to take your money and put your bets in, and then you said, oh wait a minute, I'm not getting the cards I want, you can't pull your money off the table. See, in the stock market, you can actually do exactly that. It does not matter how much money you're using. If it's $100, $100,000, or $1 million, if you put your money at risk at play and you see something that you don't like, you can take it off the table.
That's right.
So that's a very simple explanation of how the stock market, stocks and investing, is absolutely not gambling, because you can limit your risk. And gambling, once you put your money there and you're wrong, game over, no more money. So I hope that was helpful. Very quick explanation. Thank you so much for watching this video. You absolutely rock, and until next time,
love life, live life, and trade it.
Boom.
Peace.
All right, so that was the video, a pretty quick explanation, but realistically, that is why the stock market is not gambling. Sure, it can feel like gambling sometimes because you are putting money into a position without knowing the exact outcome. Ladies and gentlemen, if we knew the exact outcome of everything, then we would be fortune tellers and we would make billions of dollars by next Tuesday. Simple math states the reason that the stock market is unequivocally not gambling is because if you do take a position that you do not like, or that begins to go against you, or you hear some news that you're not favorable for, you can pull that money out and limit your risk. In gambling, there is no limits. Once you've put that money at risk, that's it, baby. Game over. If it hits black, or you crap out, or the dealer gets 21 and you get 19, you're losing whatever money you put up front. Now, obviously, there are rules of how much money you're gonna be putting at play in both the stock market and gambling, because I do gamble. I personally like going to the casinos. I like playing roulette. I love playing poker. I'm a decent blackjack player, and I like playing craps if I'm around some friends, but I always mitigate my risk. It's more of an entertainment aspect than how to make money. But in the stock market, you really can mitigate your risk. Let me show you how you can go to my website, reallifetraining.com. This is normally where people are gonna give you a sales pitch, but this stuff is literally free. Right there, you can click on that link, go down, and you'll notice sign in, email address, first and last name, and there is class 2 risk mitigation. So for my beginners program, the second class I teach you is how to mitigate your risk, okay? So let's go learn this stuff together. I will teach you how to properly and safely invest in the markets without risking too much money. All right, thanks so much for watching. You're awesome, and until next time, love life, live life, and trade it. I'll see you later. Bye.